Uh, I am from JL Academy. So I'm going to start. I'm starting the new session on interview questions. So which are related to Selenium Java interview questions. So we will discuss one on each day. So just follow my channel for all interview questions. Okay. So let me. The first interview question related to Java is I have an array and I have to rotate left side. Okay, so that based on my number of rotations. Suppose if I give number of rotations equal to 2, then I have to rotate my array left side. Okay, suppose if I take sample array 5, 8, 9, 7, 6. This is an array. Okay, if I rotate left 2 times means so the 5 and 8 that will move go to end. Okay, because we are moving it to left, right? So now 9, 7, 6 will come first, then followed by 5, 8. If I say rotate left means I should move 5, 8 to the end and 9, 7, 6 to the starting. So this is the way to rotate an array left side by 2 times. Okay. Now we will write a program to rotate left the left. Okay. So let me create sample array. Okay, so we'll go type data type as in equal to just we'll copy the same array. Okay, now we copied the array. Now what we have to do? So I will have to mention the number of rotations, right? Integer number of rotations is equal to 2. Then and I will store my array length because I need to read each and every element to change the position, right? That is the reason what I'll do. I'll create a temp variable length equal to sample array dot length dot length. Okay, this is the way I'll read the array length and store it in a length variable. Now what I'll do, I will write a loop for loop. Here I will mention integer I is equal to 0 and I is lesser than number of rotations. Okay, just I'll mention number of rotations I plus plus because I need to run my loop based on the number of rotations. Suppose if I give 2 times means I need to run my loop 2 times. That is the reason I have created a for loop. Okay. Now what I will do is before I read, okay, I need to before I rotate these elements, I need to store the first element because we are moving to the left, right? So that is the reason the leftmost element, left element, that is the 5. Okay, for the first time I have to store that element in a temporary variable. So that is the reason I will create integer temp. Okay, now what I'll say is temp equal to sample array of 0. So what we are doing here, we are reading the first element, which is the left element, and I'm storing it in temporary variable. Now what I have to do, I have to read other elements. Okay, already we have stored the first element, right? So 0th element, so array sample of 0. Now I have to read other elements like integer j equal to 1. Already we have read the first element and stored in a temporary variable. Now we have to store other elements. Okay, that means the index starts from the 1 and j is equal to 1. J is lesser than length. Okay, so based on the area size, we have to read. That is the reason I have mentioned j is lesser than length and j plus plus. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to change the positions, right? Now sample of array of j minus 1 equal to. So here what I'm doing is I'm changing the value of each position. Okay, okay. Suppose j minus 1, what it will do? J minus 1 currently I equal to j is equal to 1. J minus 1 means 0. Okay, so I'm assigning a sample of array of 0th element to with the next element. Okay, that means I'm assigning in this position, first position, sample of 0. Okay, like this. Okay, for example, sample array of 0 equal to sample array of 1. Okay, so here 0 means which what it indicates to 5, and 1 means it indicates to 8. So after we assign the value, what happens? Sample of 0, sample of array of 0 becomes 8. Okay, so like this, the for loop once completed, it will move the previous next element to the next. Okay, next element to the left side. Okay, in this way we will complete. So now we have to, at the end, this position, it should be the last position. Okay, the last position, that is 6. Okay, this should be replaced with this first element, because the first element is a left element, right? So for that, what we have to do, already we stored that first element, left element, in a temporary variable, right? So now I'll do like this: sample array of dot length -1. Okay, equal to temp. Okay, so in this way I will rotate my array left side. Okay, now let me print my array. Integer I equal I2. I have to rotate, right? Now I have to check. So let me print it. Dot I. Okay, okay, I have a rotation is completed now. Okay, so in this, if I run it, it will show me the output array as, say, 97658. Okay, that means the first element 5 and 8 are moved to the left side. That means they were added at the end. Okay, so that is the reason 976 followed by 5 comma 8. In this way we can rotate our array. So that's all for today. So just like if you are interested, you can join. I am planning to start a new batch on January 4th. Okay, so this is my contact number. You can reach out to me for the Selenium training. Thank you.